Want to know how to submit an assignment in Asana? Well, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, we'll walk you through the steps to submit an assignment easily and efficiently in Asana, and stick around till the end because I've got a special bonus for you that will level up your Asana experience. First things first, to submit an assignment in Asana, you'll want to be logged into your workspace. Once you're there, navigate to the task you want to submit. You can do this by either creating a new task or selecting an existing one from the project or a list you're working on. Next thing, once you're inside the task, you'll see all the details, who it's assigned to, due dates, attachments, and comments. To submit it, simply update the task status to completed. This indicates that you're done with your assignment. Just click the Mark as Complete button at the top of the task. The third thing is communicating clearly within Asana. It's not just about clicking a button to mark it done. Be sure to leave any necessary comments or feedback, especially if it's a team-based assignment. This will make sure everyone is on the same page. You can do this by adding a comment in the comment section of the task. Let your team or manager know what you finished, what's pending, or any issues you encountered. Next thing, don't forget to review your work. Before submitting, take a final look at everything in the task. Ensure that all attachments are in place, all the comments are clear, and the details are correct. Once that's done, you're ready to hit submit by marking the task as complete. The fifth thing is automation. If you're using Asana's premium or business features, you can set up automatic rules to mark tasks as completed when certain criteria are met. This can save you time and effort if you're submitting assignments in bulk or working with multiple tasks at once. Now, here's the cool part. If you're not familiar with all the features Asana has to offer, including automations and integrations, you can try out the software for free. Check out the first link in the description below to get an exclusive bonus. You'll get access to Asana's core features and more without paying a cent. Finally, remember that once you submit your assignment, Asana will automatically notify anyone involved in the task, whether it's your supervisor or teammates. They'll be able to see the completed task, and if they need anything more, they'll leave you a comment or reassign the task. To wrap it up, in today's video, you learned how to submit an assignment in Asana. It's simple once you know the steps. Don't forget to check out that exclusive, extended free trial through the link below so you can unlock all of Asana's powerful features and enhance your productivity.